Is a slow Android phone causing frustration in your life? There's no need to put up with that any longer. Today, we're unveiling a one-click solution that'll supercharge your smartphone's speed and responsiveness. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to a smooth, efficient device. Why does your Android phone slow down, you ask? Over time, your device can get bogged down by cluttered caches, background processes, and unnecessary apps. That's where our one-click solution comes in, offering a quick and easy way to optimize your device. So, what's this magical one-click trick? It's all about using a powerful, performance-boosting app designed specifically for Android devices. For instance, one app that's been turning heads is Speed Boost. With a user-friendly interface and a promise to enhance your device's speed in just one tap, it's a favorite among Android users. Now, let's walk through this one-click wonder. Start by downloading and installing the performance-boosting app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and take a moment to familiarize yourself with its features. Find the Boost or Optimize button and give it a tap. In one swift motion, the app will clear out unnecessary cache, close background apps, and optimize your device. Once the process is complete, you'll notice a significant improvement in your phone's speed and responsiveness. Apps will launch quicker, multitasking will be smoother, and your overall user experience will be enhanced. But don't just take our word for it, experience the difference for yourself. For optimal results, remember to regularly clear your device's cache and unnecessary files. Uninstall apps you no longer use to free up storage space, and always keep your software up to date to benefit from the latest performance improvements. In a world where every second counts, the ability to boost your Android phone's speed in one click is a game changer. So, why wait? Try out this one-click solution and experience the transformation of your Android device firsthand. We'd love to hear about your experiences, so don't forget to share how this one-click wonder has revolutionized your Android device.